Hello everybody, it's April here with Left Hook Creations. We're going to be doing a paint pour today. We're going to do this on an 8x10 canvas, so I don't need a whole ton of paint, although I'm notoriously bad at pouring paint into these giant solo cups. So I will probably have more paint than I need, but I'm kind of okay with that because, as you can tell from under here, I am well versed in running paint off of my canvas. So today we're just going to do a dirty pour. So that means we're going to be pouring paint into a cup first and then onto the canvas. And we're going to see how this works. Because it's so hot, it was a little hard to judge my paint consistencies, and I believe that I am a little on the thin side with my paints, so hopefully that won't make too big of a deal. We'll see how it comes out. And I'm trying to do some unlikely combinations, color-wise, I should say. Stuff you might not normally think would go together. For example, purple and green generally goes together, but I'm throwing gold in here because why not? We're gonna see what it looks like when it comes out. This is way thin. Ugh. Anyway, if you end up enjoying this video and like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you ring that bell so you get notified every time I put up new videos. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll probably post videos about once a week or so. All right, I think we're ready to pour. I think that should be enough paint. Keep your fingers crossed for me, guys. And if you guys think of any weird color combinations you'd like to see me try, go ahead and post those in the comments, and I will definitely take you up on that because I love experimenting. So let's see. Oh, this is way thin, everybody. If this comes out like crap, I apologize. So let's see what we get. Oh yeah, that's so thin. That's spreading super fast. Okay, and it looks like it should be enough paint. Hoping. Let's get in here and pop some bubbles so we don't have to deal with that too much later on. And I don't think you can see it probably because the camera's too far away, but there is some really intricate like webbing going on here with the gold on top of the purple. So I'm kind of excited about that. Let's see what happens when we stretch it out. Hopefully this won't, what direction do I want to go in first? I think I'm gonna pull this down here. I don't want to lose too much off the corners here. We're just going to go for it. while I think I have enough paint on here, you know, you never really know. What way do I want to go first? I think I'll go to that side first. And this is the part that I tend to rush through. I get really excited about the painting and then I start just tipping the crap out of it and I lose all my paint and I stretch out all my cells. And if you didn't know this about me, I am very new to this. Paint pouring has been something I've only done a couple of times. Oh, I like this so far though. A couple of times prior to this whole pandemic situation, and since the pandemic situation has kind of become my mental safe haven. So this is one of those things that brings me joy, it keeps me centered, and I think it's got great potential to do that for just about anybody. I'm gonna sneak in here, sorry if I'm blocking everything. I'm just gonna fix up my corners a bit because they are a little bare, which is normal. But yeah, I mean, this is one of those ways that I can relieve stress and just relax, because I tend to do this at night, so it's usually at the end of my day and my kids are in bed and I can just kind of be at peace and create. I've always enjoyed creating. All right, so I'm gonna bring you down here in a second. Gotta get everything unhooked. There we go. All right, let's see. What do you guys think of this? It's a little wild. It's really hard to see the gold on the camera, but trust me, it's there. But it's very subtle. I'm so glad, because gold can tend to take over, and it didn't. I love these cells. Look at them. Oh, they're so fun. This came out great. I really love it. Let me know what you think. And yeah, hopefully next week I will have another video up for you guys to watch.